Hi everybody, welcome back to Annette's Vignettes. Today I'm showing you how to make a beautiful indoor floral doily wreath that's great for spring and summer. I love the versatility of this wreath because it looks great in a sunroom, a baby's room, a kitchen, on a door. And you can also vary it up by making some in different sizes, like a 10-inch, an 8-inch, a 4-inch, and creating a nice collage on the wall. It looks fantastic. Anyway, it's really simple to make. All the materials that I used for this one in total were under $25. So let's take a peek and see what the end result's gonna look like. So for this project, you're gonna need 5 materials. Number 1, you're gonna get a wooden embroidery hoop. This bamboo hoop is 14 inches and I got it at Michael's. The price ranges from $1.50 to just under $4 depending on what size you choose. I included the link for this in the description box below, and feel free to use Michael's coupons for an even cheaper price. Number 2, you're gonna get a doily. I got this one on Amazon for just under $7. This one is 14 inches, same size as the hoop. I included the link for this one also in the description box below. It is a beige and off-white color, but feel free to choose whichever size or color you like best. Number 3, get yourself a floral bouquet. This one I got at a local craft store, so I don't have the link for it, but it was just under $10. And feel free to choose whatever flowers you like best. I recommend though to get a bouquet that has at least 2 or 3 large flowers, some fillers like these on the sides, and then some big leafy greens to finish off the florals on the ends. And then make sure that the stems of the flowers come apart, that they're not plastic but rather wire. That way we can bend them and attach them to the hoop. Number 4, you're going to get some white thread and a needle. You can purchase this at any local craft store for just a couple dollars. And number 5, you're going to get some beading wire. It's just a very thin malleable wire that we're going to use to attach the flowers to the hoop. I got this one for just under $4 on Amazon, so I included the link for that also in the description box below. That's it. Let's get started. Start out by placing your embroidery hoop at the center of the table. Then take your doily and place it over the hoop. If you're short on time, there's a shortcut you can use if you happen to have a hot glue gun at home. Place some glue on the scalloped edge and press it against the bamboo hoop. Or you can place the glue directly on the bamboo hoop and press each scalloped edge one by one. But if you don't have a hot glue gun, a needle and thread will do just fine. Just place the string through the needle and add a knot at the end. Take the first scalloped edge, wrap it around the embroidery hoop, and tie it to the other side of the doily. Thread the needle 4 times. On the 4th time, before pulling the string all the way, thread the needle through the hoop that you've created in the string and pull. This will create a knot. Cut the string and you're ready to do the same with the other scalloped edges. Once you've sewn in a couple edges on one side, turn the hoop around, stretch the doily, and start sewing in the edges on the opposite end. Stretch the doily as you go to make sure that it's centered. Once you're done, it's time to work on the flowers. Take your floral bouquet, turn it to the side to see the stems, and take a sharp object you have at home, such as a box cutter, knife, or scissors, and cut along the wrapping to expose the wiring and to detach each flower. Once you've detached the entire bouquet, separate the flowers into 3 groups: your leafy greens, your big flowers, and your fillers. Take the big flowers and bend the stems so that the flowers face up when the stems are laying down. Do this with both. Attach the stems together and push the flowers close together. Face them down, and now it's time to attach both stems with a piece of wire. Cut a small amount and twist the wire around the stems. Turn the flowers back around and sort out the petals. Now it's time to add in the fillers. I have 3, so I'll be attaching the first one perpendicular. Turn the flowers back around and at a 90-degree angle, place the filler stem. Take a piece of wire, wrap it under both stems, and twist the wire around. Hide the ends of the wire under. Take another piece of wire and see where you want the other 2 fillers. Place it upside down and attach the filler stem with the other floral stem. Time to add the third. Place it where you want it, turn the flowers upside down, and wrap another piece of wire along the stems. Now it's time to add the leafy greens. Separate the leaves into two groups. Make sure that they're all facing in the same direction and fan them out. Place them where you want to see them in the arrangement. Then turn them over. Take a piece of the wiring and attach the greens to the stems of the flowers. Just wrap around a few times and then hide the ends of the wire. Next, do the same with your second group of leaves. When you're done attaching the arrangement, flip it over and adjust all the leaves, petals, and insides of the flowers. Now it's time to take our hoop, find the metal hook, and hide it under the floral arrangement. Take the whole thing and flip it upside down, and we're going to tie the floral arrangement to the hoop in 3 sections, in the middle and on both ends. Take a small piece of the wire and hoop it under the metal casing, the hoop, and the floral stem, and now twist the wire. Do the same with either ends. Bend the leaves so that they take the shape of the circle. Flip your arrangement over and adjust the leaves and the florals. So that's it, guys. Once you're done doing your wreath, just place a nail or hook on the wall and place it on, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, just click like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.